wiring is in effect now. Electricians are getting this floor wired up. They got their spools everywhere as they continue to wire all the apartments. It's a larger job. This particular building that I'm in has about 75 apartments. And there are numerous buildings. It's a large complex. You can't really see the others from this particular angle. Parking deck is blocking the view of those, but as you can see in here, it's wired for the kitchen. And that's basically it. It's a wire fest. Thanks for watching.